Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
As you all know, there are 48 buses which is part of this whole system. Lot of talk is done about digital revenue. The smart city mission was very clear. The buses will be conductorless. It will be digital payment, cashless. It is both ease for the passenger as well as it is effort to reduce cost of operation for IPSCDL. Check today in March, digital revenue has gone to 9,31,000, which is 34% of my revenue. 34% of my revenue is digital. People have accepted it. Here we are here, all our operators are here. When I say 34% has come digital, it means that people have accepted my cards. We have worked hard to disseminate these cards. We have put volunteers on the buses to show them how they can book on the app. All modes are employed. You can scan the app code. You can buy a ticket on the app. You can now, we are working to do GPay directly. That also will come in a few days' time. Card tap in, tap out is there. Credit card you can tap in, tap out. Even if you don't have a card, if you have a debit credit card, you can tap in, tap out. All modes of digital payment are there. We have worked hard to integrate our back-end services into this. From a 0% digital rate to 34%. And there is also a cash component. 65% of revenue is still being collected by cash. So that don't tell us that revenue is not being collected by cash. It is being collected. These are our cash register figures.